Over the past 2 years, I've made many videos using my convection and steam ovens. In this video, I'm going to focus on another great oven, the Convection microwave broil oven. This oven can be used as a microwave or as a convection oven. Now that means I can cook on several racks at one time, and I can also use it for toasting and for broiling. There's also an option where I can combine the microwaves with convection or the broil mode for speed cooking, but we're going to focus on that in another video. Today I want to show you how to cook a complete meal in the oven with foods that require different cooking modes. Now, successful cooking doesn't only come from following a recipe. It's also important to understand the tools you are cooking with in order to achieve great results. For this meal, I want to cook 2 recipes at one time. One is for roasted eggplant and the other is for grilled pork blade steak. So one is cooking in regular heat, the other needs the grill. Because I'm familiar with the features of this oven, I'm able to successfully cook both dishes at the same time, even though they're cooked in different cooking modes. Now, I'm cooking the eggplant first using the convection mode. I got it started first and it's going to cook for 20 minutes in that mode. The heat is only coming from the convection element and being circulated around the oven. Now, when I add the pork steak to the oven, I'm going to change the mode to convection with the broil, and I'm going to increase the oven temperature that's appropriate for broiling. So now in this mode we have powerful direct heat coming from the broil element together with the heated circulating air, and that allows me to achieve the desired result for both dishes. The pork steak only needs to cook for approximately 5 minutes on each side, but I will need to turn it so that it cooks evenly on both sides. So, in approximately 30 minutes I will have a delicious meal that can be served over steamed greens, rice or noodles. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.